Decision-making skills lesson. Target number 6. Describe key components of the decision-making process. Alright, so let's get into this. Many of you, if all of you, have made decisions in your life. Some are easy, some are hard. So let's go through. The definition: the act of making a choice or coming to a solution. Now, this can be easy, this can be difficult, especially as 6th graders. Alright, so we have a model that we're going to go through. It's called the decision-making model. First starts off by stating the situation. Alright, what's the problem? Well, for example, you're in the lunchroom. One friend wants to sit at one table, another friend wants to sit at another table. Where do you go? How do you decide? What friend do I want to sit with? List all the possible choices. Well, I could sit with one friend today, and tomorrow I could sit with someone else. Or I could maybe sit with anybody else. After I go through all these possible choices, I need to consider the consequences. Every action has a positive consequence, something that's going to come out of it, and a negative one as well. Maybe feelings are going to be hurt. Once you do that, we make a decision and we act on it. I've decided to sit with this friend today. Alright, so after we go ahead and decide on our decision, we go back and we evaluate it. Was that a good decision? Would I make that decision again? And that's how our decision-making model works. This can be done very quickly. This can also take a long time as well. Think about this. When you're choosing a partner for a project, you have two other friends in your class, right? Your teacher says you can only work with one other person. So how are you going to decide? By using this decision-making model, it should become a little bit clearer on how you go ahead and make your decision. And as you get better at making these decisions, it becomes easier and your decision-making model process becomes shorter. As I mentioned, this process can be quick or it can take some time depending on the situation. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and practice this. I'd also like for us to go ahead and take a look at the next video, conflict management. Bullies. That's what we're going to focus in on.